Welcome to Teddy Ganja Broadcast. Get informed, yeah. Don't get rotten. Just be cool, yeah. Get informed.
What is going on? We are back. It is Thursday, June 20th. And guys, crypto did retrace from the last time I talked to you, but we assumed it was going to because of all the short signals that had came in. But before we talk about all things crypto, it is hard finding crypto enthusiasts like yourself, whether you're watching me live or you're watching the recording. Do us a favor, hit that subscribe. It does help the channel out. Smoke that like button on the way in. And guys, we're going to get right into it. We got a lot to talk about because a lot of things are happening and we have to make sure we stay informed because we're about to find our financial freedom. That is the goal. That is the goal. Let me see. Starting off with the global crypto market cap, 2.36 trillion. The last time I talked to you, 2.4 trillion. Little bit of a retracement. I'm assuming healthy retracement. I'm trying to find the new bottom. The charts are trying to find the new bottom before the next leg up. I still remain bullish. There is new supports now. You know, I've been looking at 60K Bitcoin as well. It is a possibility, but I still remain bullish that, hey, maybe things will change and we are going for the upsides. What's going on, Mark Noby? Nice to see you. Hello, Teddy. Happy Thursday. Happy Thursday indeed. How are things? What are you up to? What is going on? What is going on? This Thursday is pretty neutral for us. You know, I was just talking about the fear greed index. We are in that neutral side. We've been in the neutral side. Now it's like, hey, are we solidifying ourselves in the neutral side? And usually what neutral tells us is sideways market with a downtrend. So we got to look at those support levels and assume there's going to be a bounce off of that support. So we are going to talk about that during the charts. I do have a few articles I want to highlight as well, just because there is anticipated moves that could be coming in, and we want to have our price targets in sight. What should we buy at bargain prices? I mean, everything's going to be a bargain according to the charts. So, I mean, 130 Solana when we've seen Solana as high as 205. I mean, that's a bargain right there, right? XRP, we've been anticipating on those longer time frames. Hey, are we headed for the $2? I hope so. I hope the army comes in. I hope they push the token, the coin up, and only the utility will tell. You know, the XRP, Ripple, and literally SEC have all been in cahoots. They're figuring it out. They're talking about a stable coin coming out that could potentially help bridge the gap between USDT and the SEC. So only time will tell. Only time will tell. But there is a lot of things happening on the altcoin space. So we're also looking at potential a Litecoin movement. You know, we have anticipated, hey, can Litecoin reach $100 again? Potentially. We've been seeing the holders and the addresses go up on Litecoin. So we are anticipating, hey, there is going to be some price action soon that is going to help move this up. But on the overall grand scheme of things, if you look at the week, you are down about across the board, almost 5% and up, almost 5% and above. There are a few outliers like Fetch AI and a few big get token. I thought I saw Ondo. I'll talk about that during the trending cryptos. But moving on, we're looking at the heat map for dominance based on market cap. Bitcoin solidifying itself at 54. I'm hoping it doesn't dip anymore. Ethereum right around 18%. I still believe that there is going to be a day where we come on and it's just going to happen where literally I have to go take care of my friend. All right, Mark, I shall see you next time. Thanks for checking in, buddy. Thanks for checking in. I appreciate it. There has been a time where Ethereum will just randomly just pump, and I believe it'll be because the ETFs get approved. And at that time, we're going to see some of the money move from Bitcoin into Ethereum ETFs. So I do anticipate that movement. I do anticipate maybe 4, maybe 5K, maybe really push it forward. Hey, Teddy and the Goons. Hey, good bot. Good bot. What's going on, buddy? How are things? We're looking at all the things. We're looking at all the things. Dogecoin. Oh man, is it making that comeback? Does someone know something about Dogecoin? Keep me informed. Keep me informed. We've seen AVAX making that positive, and this is just a 1% uptrend in the market that's basically going sideways. So 1% is basically nothing. I have seen sideways markets go anywhere from 30% to 70% downtrend before the next leg up. So don't be alarmed at entry points when they're so wishy-washy currently, because there is still going to be your chance. There is still going to be a chance. So that's where I will say, um, hopefully you find the right things. And I did talk about ordinals before. I was just looking for it now. Finally found it. Um, Guys, take a look at ordinals, because hey, if Bitcoin is going to do some of these triple digits, I'm sorry, not triple digits, six figures, then I expect ordinals to potentially have some price action, and really anything else associated with the Bitcoin network. I know SUI, SEI have mentioned usage there, so we'll see what ends up happening. Hey, what's up, Teddy? Coochie boy. Coochie boy. What's going on, Samofad? Nice to see you, buddy. Nice to see you. We're just talking about the market, what's going on, how the price action is. And, we talked about ZK Sync. We're in the trending. It is trending for the wrong reasons. But, hey, they got that airdrop claim. We got that claim. Did you claim yours? Make sure. FLR, we've seen before, but nothing too crazy. Most of these were at one point doing fairly well. Now we're seeing that retracement. I believe we were looking at ZK Sync around 25, and now it's dropped even more. So I'm just going to show you that, right? So this is the day of launch. Oh, yeah, it was doing real good, 30 cents, and then boom. It's dropped, it's tapered off, it's gone sideways. We're at 19 cents. It doesn't seem too bad. That's about a 30%. What did I say? When it's sideways trading, 30% to 70% is not out of the realm of things that can happen to a tokens. And that's exactly what we're looking at here. So in the last 3 days, ZK Sync, 30% down. Let's see. Will the next leg up be from this point on? What's your thoughts on Jupe burning 30% of the supply? Burns are artificial. That price action is going to be not doing nothing, but that's good that they did that. I guess we'll see what ends up happening. I know we're in. Wait, Jupiter actually didn't even show up as up on my radar. Yeah, it's not even up. It's at 75 cents. I remember when it was $1. What happened to all the things? Actually, maybe. What happened? What happened back in the day? Dude, it felt like just yesterday. I was like, damn, my 100 Jupe was doing so well, and we were on the way to $1.75, maybe $2. Hopefully, Solana pumped me up. I need Solana to go up, and then Jupiter by default go up. That's what I say. It's up for vote. I mean, people are gonna vote yes, so there's nothing I can. Wait, didn't we already vote on that? Yeah, I think we voted yes. We did that last stream. Weren't you there? Oh my god! Now you're gonna make me go check. Oh, I believe we did, sir. I believe we did. Let me see. Dun, 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 dun. Dun, 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 dun. Show me my voted. I voted. I'm in the Jupe.ag. I don't see anything that says burn, though. Was this the burn? Are you a burn? No, this wasn't the burn. This is some weird uplink proposal thing. Get out of here, but I still voted. We'll see what ends up happening. Sorry, ADHD. Where were we? Right here. So it's up for a vote, bro. Where? Yo, what's going on, William? Nice to see you. Alien form in the building. The 30% vote hasn't been added yet. Oh, okay. Well, let's get it added and then we're going to start uh doing the things. Oh boy. Oh boy. But still, Jasmine under 3 cents. Like, are we going to see that again? Imagine when Jasmine's $1, you know? This is why I'm like, bro, almost every single thing is on sale right now. Like, look, we looked at Jasmine when it was $1, guys. We rode this all the way down to a penny, and we've been trending at that penny, and now we're at 2 penny, closer to 3 penny. This is a 97 percent down from all-time high. Yet we're still here. We're still trading. Ugh. My dinner wants to come up, I guess. Yeah. I've been here. We'll see. I clicked away. Let me go back. Sorry, ADHD. Almost everything else, AI, and then BTC. Yeah, we'll see. We'll see. Only time will tell. Continuing on, I do have some news articles I want to drill down just so you guys stay informed, just like me. Hey, Germany, stop dumping on us. Why? Why? They gave you those bitcoins in confidence, and then there you go dumping. So as you guys may or may not know, the German police seized the country's largest cryptocurrency, confiscating 50,000 bitcoin worth 2 billion. They really have like 3 billion worth of bitcoin, so they sold I think believe 1.2 billion worth they in the last 2 weeks, and now they just believe it was over the past 2 weeks, right here. So recent on-chain data reveals that long-term BTC whales have sold a substantial 1.2 billion worth of Bitcoin over the past 2 weeks, further exacerbating the market downturn. So, oh, okay. I thought it was actually Germany that ended up selling it, but I guess they only sold 195 million. That contributed to at least 0.2 of the 1.2 billion. So it's still bad. Still bad. Why? Why? Oh, don't you know about diamond hands, Germany? You're supposed to hold on. You're supposed to hold on, and then hopefully you can use that in the future. Not now. Not when the price action about to make six figures. Freaking Germany. Regardless, there is now price analysis being done from what's going on with the price with the Bitcoin, and they've legit have said, hey, it's gonna go down. It's gonna go down, and price action it needs to reach above is 66K. If it goes 66K, hey, we're going bullish. If it doesn't go 66K, and the next thing we're looking at is 60,500 for support, and that's literally the low. So no matter if either of these scenarios play out, most of the analysts are still bullish on Bitcoin. Regardless of if you get the entry at 60K and it's currently at 64, they're still bullish. And 60K may not even happen, guys. Like, it may just bounce right off this level, and we may go right back to bullish sentiment. So don't do anything drastic. Just understand what market you're trading for. And right now, a sideways market is not bad. It's not a bad entry point. Let me see. So other ones, I have the Winklevoss twins. They're doing the thing. They're doing the thing. They're donating. They're donating to Donald Trump. They have publicly came out and said, hey, each one of them, and they're the Gemini co-founders, right? In case you guys don't know, look at them, guys. They practically love the guy. Like, I can see the full support. I can see the full support. Did they plan this hand placement? Wow, it's so perfect. So anyway, the Winklevoss twins come out and they're like, hey, Biden started this war on crypto, and we are going to donate to Trump because he's pro crypto. So that's basically what the end thing was. Over the past few years, the Biden administration has openly declared war against crypto. It has weaponized multiple government agencies to bully, and they just go ham and ham and ham on this. And this is not even remotely open for debate. Anyone who tells you otherwise is severely misinformed, delusional, or not telling the truth. It is time for the crypto army to send a message to Washington that attacking us is political. So yeah, they've been very pro crypto, very pro Trump, and they are definitely hoping that getting their man in by donating $2 million, 1 million for each of them, will get the help that they need. And I'm like, hey, Gemini, did you pay some fees or something? What's going on? What is the need that you need the support? Because all the other agencies are ready to fight, but I guess Gemini is making the step forward. They really back in their guy, and hopefully this plays out well for them. And Trump does the thing, because there have been times where Trump has made comments that were anti cryptocurrencies, but at the same time, he has his NFTs, he has all these things that he's done. So we'll see what ends up happening. But the main thing is the guy's got $2 million more from the Winklevoss twins. So twins, sorry, brothers. Actually, they look like twins, but I don't know. Do they? I don't think they say twins, right? They say brothers, co-founders. Let me see. Are the Winklevoss twins the real Cameron? Are Hampton-born, Connecticut-raised, intellectual and athletic prodigies from Harvard. Winklevoss twins. They are twins. I was right. Oh my god! Come on now, Ted. Come on now. What? Oh my god! It said in the name. I'm so dumb. I'm so dumb. You see? I didn't even see it in the title. Come on now. CNN and RFK can't debate on stage with Trump and Biden. Said RFK can't debate? Really? They're not going to let him? He's running independent. What do you mean? He's running independent. That's not fair. That's not fair. Let the man in. Let the man in. 2% of the votes are going to go to him. Oh, boy. If he does come in, though, it's just going to steal more votes away from Biden, I guess. I mean, he's not. I don't know, actually. I don't know. Regardless, they talk about Robert F. Kennedy in here. He was looking to learn from example of Robert F. Kennedy Jr., a crypto-friendly candidate running as independent in 2024. Trump also called Bitcoin a scam in 2021 after he had left office. See, there's always things. Some question Trump's intention on crypto, whether he was looking to learn from the example of Robert F. Kennedy, a crypto-friendly candidate. Yeah, they cut him. Someone sent them BTC. Dude, is that why? Is that why? Oh my god. Oh my god, that is hilarious. That is hilarious. That is hilarious. I did not even think. All right, so we got to talk about WorldCoin. Hey, why is it up, or why was it up 14%? Now it's retraced a little. I think it's right around $3 right now. Brand new day, 1% down. I'm assuming profit taking is going to happen, but basically they got the clear to resume their plans in Kenya, as well as a full launch in Ecuador. And Ecuador really needs WorldCoin's technologies because they're having a tough time combating bots, guys. They can't tell on the internet who's a bot and who's real. And they're like, we really need WorldCoin to help authenticate who's legitimate. So these guys, starting June 26th, WorldCoin will offer the orb verification at 6 locations in Guayaquil and Quito. And this will start Ecuadorians aged 18 and older to join the other 5.7 million participants in the WorldCoin network. So they're going to start this. I know they initially gave the WorldCoin network participants like $35 worth of WorldCoin to get them started and stuff, and that's more than enough, I believe, for them to do their everyday transactions or whatever they're trying to do in order to transact. But their main thing is this is the growing problem of online bots and fraud, and their things align. So they're like, hey, WorldCoin's addressing this problem and we need that. So they're all about the support, and we'll see if this ends up being a good thing. And Ecuador's already pro crypto, pro everything. So time will only tell. So what happened with Kenya? Well, Kenya said no when initially WorldCoin came, and now they have kind of brought it up to the higher ups. The higher ups were given a paper, and guess what? They're like, dude, we're telling Sam Altman no, 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 everything's good here. File closed, no further police action on this. Let the man do the thing. So Kenya opened up as well, and now people in Kenya are doing the same thing. They will soon have Orb offered to them, and they will be able to uh, transact and verify online that who they're transacting with are really who they say they are. And this is a true protection that WorldCoin is going to offer to many. So we'll see what ends up happening, but great surge in price action there, almost a 15% pump even when the markets were as down as they were. So it went from $2.77 to $3.17, and right now we are right under or right about $3. So we'll see what ends up happening, but this is definitely a step in the right direction. Continuing on, we have the SEC who dropped their case against Ethereum being a security. So that happened yesterday. I still want to inform the goons because I know some of you guys are still wondering, hey, Teddy, what's really going on there? So we know there's no merit. There's literally nothing that Gary Gensler and his pals can do to show that Ethereum, in fact, is a security. So they basically, I believe, have came to the realization that it's going to be hard proving that Ethereum is security when the former chairman had came out and had said in 2018 that Ethereum was not a security, right? So it's like, hey, previous statements of Ethereum and the classifications the SEC officials have placed it is literally an embarrassing to the agency to make the claims that the classification is clear. So it is not clear. It is not clear, and it still isn't something that Gary has proving the S4 forms, you know. So there's still one more form we need approved, S1, S4. Those forms need to be approved, and then only then will Ethereum ETFs be listed. So we're all waiting for all this ridiculous nonsense to play out. But hey, they're going to keep trying to go after one thing. And that is as much money as they can claim. And now we've been hearing they're looking at the staking, and they've already cracked down on staking when it came to Kraken. You know, Kraken paid that $30 million and stopped staking services. Now we start wondering, hey, if these cryptocurrencies aren't classified securities, then do they have any merit going after the staking? It is still an investment contract, so it is still up to debate. We'll see. We know Coinbase has taken the step of like, hey, we don't want to take that away from you guys. We would go to court and fight against the SEC if they asked us to stop staking or something like that. So it's still quite an interesting thing to see play out. We'll end up hoping in the long run that one, ETFs do get approved, and two, that the SEC will wake up and look for other areas that they can leverage their money back, because going after the guys that are trying to innovate in the space is definitely not the right step. So want to bring that to your guys' attention. Definitely a lot of interesting things happening. Still a great win that they finally decided to drop the Ethereum investigation. So now we'll see what the next thing is that they'll come up with, and we'll see what it does with the market and how the market reacts to whatever the SEC does. At this point, Gary Gensler, do your next, like, what, 2 years, and then that's it, buddy. It's time for you to step down, or hopefully they replace you, because this anti-crypto is not going to fly as we go into this election cycle. It is becoming more and more evident that crypto is going to be that hot button topic, and that may be the push that we need. More and more adoption coming in. That's exactly what I'm looking at. More and more, constantly. constantly. So yeah, that's all I had for the news. Let's go over to the chats. To the chats, it's your favorite time. We can finally look and figure out where the price action could be headed in the coming days. So as I said, fib retracement ends up being the god book during the sideways trading. We're looking at those levels. We did not hold above the 65k level. That does drop me down to the 0.382 as my next support at 63,000 is where my next support is. So if we do not make a price action back up, we do not start closing above 65k, we're headed for 63k. If we don't close above 63k, we're headed for 60,600. I've heard the reference to 60,500. It all depends where you chart your fib retracement. I'm okay with $100 being off on my chart if that's what the analysts are saying. But for the most part, if this continues to tumble, this is 60,600, which is the 0.236 on the fib retracement. So keep your eyes peeled. We may have quick crossovers. You know, this is Bitcoin. We've seen this happen time and time again. Short, quick short, and then boom, it'll skyrocket up before it ends up playing out. So we do have that short that came in. You guys know how Triple G, when it is, calling out short. So I'm hoping that this is a play that if historically, hey, we bounce off this level and we continue having another bullish trend. So only time will tell what kind of short this is, but I'm ready. Even if it's sideways trading, I'm expecting the next leg up. I'm expecting 84. I'm expecting 101. It is going to happen. It is just a matter of when, and it may be hey, a year and a half. You know, it is just marching up, and healthy retracement is always needed. So keep an eye on the Andean, keep an eye on the price action on the fib retracement. So very interesting, healthy retracement in my eyes, but only time will tell. So Ethereum continuing to go sideways between the 0.5 and the 0.618. It really needs to break above the 0.618 for us to go bullish, which is only 3,600. You know, if it stays above 3,600, I remain bullish. That's $100 for Ethereum. That's not that hard for it to do a crossover. The Andean is narrow. Narrow indicates, hey, sideways trading, quick flips. So be ready if you need to ride the wave up. Understand this could be the bottom before the next price action to the next support resistance level. As we go into BNB, and this is the important thing, BNB is not always following the crypto market trends. You know, sometimes BNB has a mind of its own. So keep an eye on it because we're right near the 0.618 level, the 588. We're at 585 and $3 here and there. I'm not worried about, but my goal is, hey, it continues to close above 0.618. I go bullish. If it does not close above 0.618, then 570, then 550, 530, and ultimately 500 if it does not hold. I'm really hoping it does bounce back just because Binance is still the most volume. I still believe they have good use case in their blockchain, and I can see the price action continuing to move with that volume alone, you know. So I really hope this plays out off the support, especially on the fib retracement. I'm hoping it closes above 588, but just in case it doesn't, it's really 570. If not 570, 550. So figure out where you are and what you're going to do. The difference with BNB, Irandian's a little bit wider than any of the other two coins on the top three right now. So just keep an eye on it and we'll see what ends up happening. Solana. We've talked about, hey, is it going to bounce off 130? We're at that 0.236. We didn't hold above 0.382. We are now potentially even headed for 105. They're saying, hey, Triple G says before that, we're at 118. So still indicating a downward trend. I do see Andean widening. It is a little iffy, but I know there is bullish sentiment coming for Solana just from all the things they've released, especially with Bond, especially with their retail partnership through that, right? And even their Solana phone. So I'm really hoping when this tech starts coming out, we'll get that ramp up again. I think it's just a matter of it's that slow slump before the next race, So only time will tell. Only time will tell. But I'm ready. I'm ready. So here's XRP playing out. We had that long position come in, then the short game. We've retraced. Triple G still puts it at 45 cents. So 45 cent support is not bad. I'm still hoping it will continue to go up and we won't actually hit 45. But as I'm looking at the market and what's going on, Indian going narrow, I could see continued sideways trending, and that usually means downward trending. So I'm hoping we don't hit 41, 42 cents, but if we do, hey, it's just more of an entry point because I do expect higher and better price action. On the 4 hour, we do have XRP with that buy signal, so we'll see how this plays out, but that Indian does appear to be narrowing, but we've had fake outs with a narrowing Indians before, so be ready for XRP. Shiba Inu finally broke down. Look at this. We are underneath the fib retracement. We are making new lows. So here we go. We are moving. We are moving. We're now, let's see, we retraced to about 4016 and now we're about 40179. We're trading up. I don't know. I ain't feeling it. I'm still thinking we're about to go down because Andean's widening, right? Look at this Andean. Look how wide it is. I'm going, there's further blood. There's further blood. I flip over to Doge. It's the same exact story. Andean's widening. I go, there's further blood, right? Last time we've seen wide Andeans like this, quick drops, right? It's a slow and steady drop, but it is still a widening drop. So even Doge, even Shiba, even Pepe, right? I do believe that the Indians indicate that there could be further downtrend. With Pepe, we're above the 0.618. The only reason is because it's that low LP. Not many people are in it like they used to be. And then even the meme mania has died. Not many people looking at meme coins like they once were. But hey, that's the thing about meme coins. They're meme coin season one day, meme coin season not the next day. So we'll see if meme coin season comes back. Only time will tell. But Pepe, Bog, we're all looking at wide Indian oscillator, and usually that indicates further downtrend. So, guys, if you are looking for entry points, just know that the charts aren't looking good. I'm gonna update Crow as well because we keep making new lows. Guys, the short signal came in for Crow at 16 cents. You had your opportunity. We are now at 9 cents. All right. Understand how well Triple G works, So even the fake outs, there's not enough to skew its short signal path. It still kept that short. Indian still over. Red over green indicates further downtrend. So I'm still reluctant. It is that rewards based token. They're going to keep dumping the rewards that they get. Where are they getting that LP from? That remains the question. And then I do want to drill down on WorldCoin. We got that short signal, and then we had that news that bumped it up a solid 14%, and now we still have some bullish sentiment. We'll see if it holds above $3. We got adoption coming in 6 days in Kenya, so time to see what is going on. I'm sorry, I said Kenya, Ecuador. Actually, both, I guess, since they're allowed in both now. Orb is going to do it all. We're going to find out who the real people are versus the bots. Oh, boy. Imagine real ID verification through WorldCoin as being the future. That is just crazy. Sam Altman is the new Bill Gates. Oh, boy. Layer 0 was awkward airdrop. Had to pay 10 cents per coin. You wanted to claim 700 tokens, cost me $70. Dude, that and then you know what? Layer Zero's trading at $3.34. So your 700 tokens, buddy, is far more. All right. So you relax. You relax. I think you're out like $2,000, right? So what, $70 and you have $2,000 worth? I think you'll be all right. I think you'll be all right. Binance announced holding BNB will qualify you for airdrops now. They just keep adding utility to it. Up only. Yeah. Binance. I'm expecting Binance to follow Ethereum's path. I'm expecting Binance to hit 1,000, 1,500, then 4 or 5. And eventually it's going to get to 15 grand, and then that's the point where Ethereum's at like 30 grand. I can't wait. I'm expecting all this to happen. No, I think that's all I had for the charts. Let me just quickly check. I think, I want to hit on Litecoin just because we got that short signal. It continued to go down. It's below even the support triple G set. So I'm still anticipating there is going to be a bullish sentiment. I just don't know when. And I believe a lot of the holders don't know when. Some of the smaller time frames still have buy signals. So let's see. But was a big fan of Litecoin, but I'm waiting. And then ordinals, we know short signal came in. Indian appeared to be widening, but I am anticipating that if Bitcoin goes up, ordinals goes up alongside of it. We'll see. Yeah, let me flip it over to Goon Time because that's all I had. And if there's nothing from the goons, I go bye-bye. You will see me again on Monday. Monday. And, fun begins. I'm really hoping that these are the bottoms before the next leg up. I hope I don't come in Monday and the price goes down further. I'm feeling like, man, this adoption is happening so quick, parallel. It doesn't matter what the anything that doesn't have a sell signal. No, almost everything I'm charting has a sell signal. I'll quickly go through just so we see it too. Just look at the Andean and you're looking for green over red. So sorry, let me just do that again. So we're looking at this Andean and looking for green over red. So Bitcoin, Ethereum, BNB, Solana, Void. Can I get a black and mild? What's going on, Wixie? Nice to see you, buddy. Always a pleasure. Always a pleasure. How's the Supra? XRP, Shibata, Pepe, bro, nothing. Grow, World, Tesla. Yo, Tesla's got a buy signal. Tesla's got a buy signal on the Indian. That's hilarious. Adam. All right. Well, we don't do stocks here, but if we were, Bitcoin Cash, Link, how we doing? No, I saw Link was up yesterday. That's why I was hoping that maybe fake out buy signal, no buy signal on Litecoin, Pepe 2.0. Pepe who? Pepe Coinbase. Coinbase has a buy signal, but it could be crossing over to a sell. USTC. Oh my God, USTC back at a penny. Bro, I'm so glad I got out of that at like 72 cents or whatever. I think I did that on stream. What a man. These are some meme coin, Mex coin, Luna, Lunky, AVAX, bro, nothing. Grok, maybe Grok. What's happening with Grok? 2 buy candles back to back. Andean appearing to go narrow. Keep an eye on Grok. 209. BSV, Ordi. Nah, that's it. Dude, this is my Nvidia. Look, I called Nvidia at 85. 85. Buy signals only. Oh boy. Apple. Uber. Wait, Uber had a buy signal. Uber has a buy signal. Sophie? See, Sophie had that fake out. Buy signal came in like one day and then boom, short. That's the fear. With these because they don't trade like 24/7. You can't trust the triple G indicators 100%. You can get faked out, but for the most part, they're not. This is GME on NASDAQ. Not bad. Turbo doing well. Supra is a nice drive. Scoby and good watching with me. Oh boy. The crypto is definitely for financial freedom, but if you guys are looking for even more, do check out my second channel, Explore the Weird. We doing some crazy stuff over there. There's always fun stuff happening. I think we got a new video out today. I think so today, 6 hours ago. So do check out some crazy, weird, alarming for you page content because it is definitely up there. it is definitely up there. And I think we're also doing live streams on Explore the Weird on Sundays. So if you want to come in and fill yourself in with more Teddy, I will see you Sunday as well. Otherwise, Monday for the crypto, 8:15 p.m. Eastern, and Thursday, 8:15 p.m. Eastern. Turbo doing well. Yeah, actually, let me check out Turbo. It's been a long time. Turbo. I mean, Turbo Future's doing well, bro. Long. What the heck? What do you know? Wait, Turbo was that on here? No, it was not. Okay, I thought I had seen Turbo on somewhere else, but no, Turbo number 210, 16% on the day. So what do you know? Why is this up? Just discovered a pre-sale. No. Turbo, the listing on Binance and Coinbase next week will skyrocket it. Fasten your seatbelt. So that's why they got a Binance listing. Dang, dude, some of these volumes are wild. 66 million in just OKX alone. Yeah, Turbo doing real well, dude. Where to claim layer 0? Yo, NW, where are you claiming layer 0, bro? Binance also back allowed in India. Yep, Jeet stripping hard because all trade activity going to their tax risk. No, the Indian government got to make money somehow. All these guys keep trading in crypto and they keep finding ways into Binance. Let's see. Yeah, so nothing that I saw that has a buy signal like that. And then boom, this guy tells me about Turbo. Turbo is actually showing a buy signal, and I'm trying to see. You can buy it on MEXC, it looks like. Turbo is actually showing a buy signal at 205. So there you go. Coochie boys play. 205. Yeah, that is interesting. All right, let me see. Got. All right, I'm not seeing anything else in the chat. This is where I go. Bye, guys. It was fun. I will see you guys again Monday. If you do want to check out Explore the Weird, I will be trying to live stream sometime Sunday between Kyra's naps. So if you get the notification, definitely come join me there as well. Wait, am I not subscribed to my own channel? Oh, there we go. Wait, that's just weird, right? You don't subscribe to your own channel, right? Now, if I unsubscribe, that's just weird now. Oh boy, here comes the ADHD. All right, I'm out of here. Stay safe, stay strong, and most importantly of them all, don't be a hero. Just don't do it. Don't do it.
Don't get wrapped. Yeah. Don't get wrapped. Yeah. Don't get wrapped. Yeah. Don't get wrapped. Yeah. Get informed.